what's up? It's me, Jovy, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, guys, I'm gonna be doing a what I eat in a day. It's gonna be full day of eating. And from my previous video, guys, I'm on my training for my upcoming show on April. I told you guys before, I told my video before that it's July, but it changed, so it's gonna be in April. And it is pretty much like, you know, tight on my diet now. It's because I have to, you know, lose fat. And if you guys can see, I'm still a little bit fat. It is currently 8:14 in the morning. It's a little bit late breakfast for me, guys, because I sleep a little bit longer, which is good, because I don't usually sleep longer because I work early in the morning. I work like 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, and we go to bed like 8 or 9. And of course, you can't really sleep like this. It's me, not my husband, because my husband, he can sleep like this, and it's not me. That's not me. Just notice, guys, I'm already wearing a sports bra because I'm gonna go straight to the gym after I eat. I'm gonna relax a little here and I'm gonna go straight to the gym, hit my cardio. Yes, so I think I should start now making my breakfast because I'm starving. Let's get into it, guys. Start with the boiled water to make my tea. Okay, so guys, I think it's ready. It's making that noise. I need you guys have my coffee. My coffee. Guys, for breakfast I have oatmeal, I have a spinach, I have egg. This eggs, guys, it is a white egg, and I do really love, I like this white egg because it's, you know, 0 fat, 0 carbs, and protein. And I have one whole egg. So this grape tomato and bell peppers, spinach, and mozzarella, I mixed it with my egg because, you know, guys, I can't eat just regular egg, just a white egg. I just don't like the taste being alone, you know. So I mix this whole one egg, and just want to tell you guys, I use this and I use this spam, 0 calories, whatever. This is pretty much of it. And then this, I do mix this with my oatmeal. I mix this with my oatmeal. It's a wait, it won't focus. Come on, focus. You know, it's being so stubborn. It won't focus. There you go. So it has 2 tablespoons, guys. It has 1.5 fat, 4 carbs, and protein. So I think that's it. And I'm gonna start making my food now, guys. Guys, here's my finished breakfast. Ta-da! Okay guys, so I'm ready to eat now because I am hungry. So hey guys, I'm back and it is 11:17 in the morning. I'm gonna make my lunch a little bit early today because my husband is gonna come home for lunch. And yes, and my lunch for today, guys, is gonna be chicken, asparagus, and potato. That's it. You know, when you are in diet, you have to be very strict of what you eat. But guys, I am not perfect. I do struggle my diet sometimes, especially, you know, I like to eat chips. I do cheat my food sometimes though. Anyway guys, I'm gonna start making my lunch now because it is 11:18 and he will be here, and my husband will be here at around 12, so I have to hurry. So anyway guys, okay, so here is my chicken, my asparagus, and my potato. I just need to cut this off and boil it, and that's it. And then the chicken breast, I think I'm just gonna grill it because I have no time, you know. Hey guys, it is 5 in the afternoon now, and we're gonna go to gym. And before I go to gym, guys, I supposed to have food, but I feel lazy. I don't feel making food, so I'm just gonna have my shake, my protein shake. I don't typically have this, guys, before workout. I do this after workout, but like what I've said, I feel lazy to make food, so I'm just gonna have shake. I got this from JNC, guys. This is pretty good, the best. So after workout, that's the time I'm gonna make food, in case, you know, I have time to make food. is wrong with me? Hey guys, it is, what time is it? 8:18 in the evening. Yeah, so don't mind my look, guys, because I look messy. So yeah, we just got back from the gym. This is gonna be my last meal, and I actually don't know what I'm going to eat. I'm thinking to make a salad, chicken salad, guys, since I have a leftover chicken. So I think it's a good idea. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a chicken salad because I'm being lazy to make food. It's already 8 and I am tired and I'm hungry. Since salad, guys, is easy to make, so I think salad's a better idea. So okay guys, I'm gonna get into it now because I am starving. Okay guys, here's my lettuce, grape tomato, I have avocado, feta cheese, and I can't leave without this, and yeah, I liked it. So this is gonna be my Olive Garden. I like this, guys, because it's pretty low. Come on, go focus. Why you won't focus right away? Come on. Hey, what's up? You know what? Don't mind it. It's fine. And I have leftover chicken, guys. Yeah, that's my leftover chicken. I think it would focus now. Come on. Hey, come on. There you go. See, 2 tablespoons, guys. 2 fat, 2 carbs, and 0 protein. I like this Olive Garden light Italian dressing. Yeah, so I think I should start now, guys, because my stomach is, you know, hungry.